On Wednesday, Apple rolled out the third public beta of iOS 17.1 for iPhones, a day after it became accessible to developers. This release followed the iOS 17 launch by about 3 weeks. The beta introduces several new features and bug fixes for developers and beta testers keen on getting a glimpse of what Cupertino has in store. It's advisable to install this beta version on a non-primary device due to potential issues like bugs and reduced battery life that are common in beta software. If you're a developer or a public beta tester, iOS 17.1 Beta 3 offers a preview of some new features. Keep in mind that this beta phase is ongoing, meaning there could be more features introduced before the official iOS 17.1 release. As of now, there's no official announcement regarding the public release date for iOS 17.1. Action button in the pocket. If an iPhone senses it's inside a pocket or bag, pressing the action button won't activate functions like camera, flashlight, voice memo, focus, or magnifier. However, functions like mute or shortcut, which are appropriate for pocket use, will continue to function normally. Before we go any further, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content like this. Your support means a lot to us. New ringtones are back. Upon the release of iOS 17, Apple introduced new ringtones and text tones. However, these sounds were removed in iOS 17.1 Beta 1. In the subsequent iOS 17.1 Beta 2, these ringtones and text tones seem to have made a comeback. Users can access the older sounds in the Classic section on the ringtone and text tone settings pages. These changes are among the significant features present in the third iOS 17.1 beta, though it's important to note that these might not be the only updates in the upcoming iOS release. Also, there is no guarantee these changes will be retained in the public version of iOS 17.1. Double tap for Apple Watch. In watchOS 10.1, Beta 2 and beyond, Apple Watch Series 9 introduced the double tap gesture. In the iOS 17.1 Watch app, users have several options to customize and control its functionality. Standby settings. In iOS 17.1 Beta 2, Apple introduced enhanced customization options for standby mode, allowing users to turn it off after 20 seconds, keep it on constantly, or enable automatic activation when the phone is idle in a dark environment. However, these settings seem to be exclusive to iPhones with an always-on display, as observed on iPhone 14 Pro, not available on iPhone XR. AirDrop using cellular data. In iOS 17, Apple enhanced AirDrop with NameDrop, enabling devices to exchange contact information by tapping, akin to digital business card exchange. Moreover, the initial iOS 17.1 beta introduces the capability to utilize cellular data for AirDrop communication between two iPhones when they are not within each other's range. And that's it for today's video. Now, here's a question for you. Are you willing to try this new beta version or not? Share your thoughts in the comment below. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the tech world. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and curious.